Well, another ominous milestone in the pandemic tonight. There are now more than 80,000 cases of coronavirus in our area. Another 1,100 cases were added just today, and another 46 new deaths reported today in LA County. Well, protests have health officials concerned tonight that coronavirus cases here in LA could surge. KCAL9's Dave Lopez today spoke with a doctor who's worried and protesters who are not.
Over the last few weeks in LA County, the number of people hospitalized because of COVID-19 has hit an all-time low, 11%. Of the more than 650,000 people tested for the virus, another all-time low, just 8% positive. But there is one number that is causing the medical experts some concern: new cases. With the economy opening up and more people out and about, health experts throughout the state and in the county expected to see an increase in the number of new positive cases for the virus. And it has happened. According to Johns Hopkins University, California is one of about 20 states in the nation where new cases have increased over the past 5 days. How much? 17,000 new positive cases last week alone in California, nearly 10,000 of those cases coming from LA County. And that's before all of these public protests hit the streets.
One of the things we asked people to do is wear a mask. Not everyone is wearing a mask. Then second thing we asked was stay 6 feet away from each other. We clearly saw in the videos that that wasn't happening.
The ability for people to protest in a peaceful way is in fact one of only 2 event gatherings that are allowed across the state.
The doctor's remarks from last Friday. The only other gatherings allowed: going to church or attending funerals, capped at 100 people or less.
There is going to be a spike, and unfortunately there is nothing we can do about that, but we can reduce the height.
As a precaution, all county buildings have been shut down for the past 2 days, and Dr. Ferrer's scheduled briefing today was also canceled. But her office released the following statistics. 46 people died in the last 24 hours from the virus, nearing 2,500 now. 1,155 new positive cases. That's more than 58,000 since the pandemic began. And with all this talk of a possible spike because of what's going on in the streets, I asked some of the protesters, do they fear getting sick?
And everyone's taking their necessary precautions as they can. It's about as best we can ask for. Can't be silent on the issue.
Very, very afraid of getting the virus.
It's a chance we're willing to take.
It's a chance we're willing to take.
But people aren't afraid of being tested. The scene today at Dodger Stadium, one of the few testing sites that remains open because of the demonstrations. Are you nervous about it?
Very much so.
So if there is to be a spike, a surge because of all these demonstrations, the numbers will show it in 3 to 4 weeks. From downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, KCAL9 News.